G'day, how you going? So another photo walk for today. I've come to a place called Boothtown Aqueduct. So it's in the town of Greystanes. If you've seen my previous photo walk, it was about the Prospect Reservoir, their water catchment for Sydney. Now this is an aqueduct they built in the 1880s or something, 1888, and it's an aqueduct they built to get the water from there across the valley into Greater Sydney. If you have a look at it, it's pretty impressive. I mean, who would have thought that in Australia you've got an aqueduct like that, you know, in the like 5 minutes from where I live, in the middle of the suburbs. It's like something out of a Roman, you know, town. So today I'm going to use the kit lenses. I got the twin kit lens. It's the 14 to 42 and the 40 to 150 kit lens. So these days, I mean, for 500 bucks, not even, you can get a really good, even brand new, they go for about 800. You know, you can't go wrong. For entry level, for amateur, you know, that range from 14 all the way to 150, plus an awesome camera that the OMD EM10 II is, you know, I reckon it's much better than the 3, and I mean the 4's pretty good because it's got all the new stuff on it. For getting into photography, you know, this is more than capable. Let's use the kit lens today. What the hell? Is that hollow? Oh shit. Imagine that. Imagine that fell underneath you. Check this out. It's like archways all the way down. I've seen online a few people take wedding photos here as well. There's graffiti everywhere, as per usual. I mean, we are in the Western Sydney. Man, there's one thing I forgot. Air guard. There's flies everywhere, man. Pissed me off. I'm trying to take a photo and there's fucking flies just, you know, they stick to your face. So the aqueduct actually is a land bridge now, like for bikes and walking. This path is actually the top of the aqueduct, and this monstrosity here, that appears to be the pump or something like that. I don't know. So Prospect Reservoir Dam need to get over this valley, so they built this aqueduct, and then it had to come this way, and then that way is Sydney. Looks like a castle. Now it's called Boothtown because I think of a guy called John Booth. No, not the actor that killed Lincoln. Some governor or landowner from around here back in, you know, the early days, and then I think later on in the 1920s or something they changed it to Greystanes. Kookaburra. They're laughing at me. So we might have something here with the clouds there, but I'll probably end up sky replacement. Don't judge me. Alright, so that was the photo walk. There's not much there, it's just that aqueduct, but there's a few. The fact that it's a historic piece of architecture in the middle of suburbia here. I only lived like one suburb away, and I didn't even know this was here. It's amazing what you can find in your backyard. You don't have to go to Iceland or whatever. I mean, that's not Iceland, but anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next photo walk.
Say hi to Pee-wee. Let's see. Hit the button above the record button to bring up the quick shots, and you'll see there it is at the bottom.